Thanks everyone to be here. It is actually my honor to have all of you here. During the lunchtime, you choose this section over lunchtime. You guys are awesome, I have to say at the beginning. And Intel, I think today the key message that I want to portray is that if you don't know Intel CPU can do deep learning really well today, I want you to go away from this section, after this section, with that impression that Intel actually is doing a lot, right? And last year, we actually have the right software and hardware products available for that purpose. I would dive into it. So this year, we kind of start promoting a new product category called AI Box, or Intel Video AI Box. And you can see that the idea of AI Box is to put Intel Core processor in a box, and at the same time, the form factor needs to be really small. And not only small, but it has all of the capability that you see in a typical desktop system to run in this box, right? So it has CPU capability, it has graphics, it has the codec, everything that you need to run video and AI at the edge. And this year, we also see a few challenges in this field, like how we can actually provide that, I would say, rich system to support all of the video AI at the edge type of the workload, and how do we, bring the standard software stack to all of us, because as you know, in the past, if you try OpenVINO or try Media SDK or other Intel software, putting them together requires some efforts. And making them to work together also takes some time, right? And you have a lot of online documents you need to read through and go through a lot of steps to do the installation. This year, we kind of erase all of that complexity. All you need to do is to go to Intel Dev Catalog, that web portal, and find the Edge AI box for video analytics. Then you will get the installation script that just single line of command line will help you to install everything you need without having to worry whether the version is right, whether this can work with that. We kind of abstract that. And this year we also work with Microsoft to bring the EFLOW technology. I will go into that later. But that is a way for us to merge the Windows and Linux ecosystem together, because in the past, these two ecosystems kind of separated, right? And for customers who are really invested into Windows environment or Windows PKC, they have a hard time to find the right AI or reference application to merge into their solution. And EFLOW actually is a framework for you to run Linux container with AI and video capability and work with your Windows application in a Windows OS, right? So that is a new feature, for coming out from Intel and Microsoft. And also the cost is another thing that I hate to mention it, but the Intel NUC actually provide you pretty attractive TCO, because the volume that we scale this system, this picture, to the global market. So we kind of strive the BOM cost to the lowest, right? And at the same time, we have the channel for you to acquire Intel NUC almost in every country. So it is easy for you to get this system, and the TCO-wise, it is also very attractive.